Student, this is Shailesh Kumar, and today in this video we are going to find the values of the integers. So let us start. The first question here, minus 8 minus bracket minus 15 bracket close minus 10. How we will solve this question? Now let us see. Firstly, I will write minus 8. Also we know that meaning of bracket is multiplication, and when we multiply a negative symbol to the negative symbol, then the answer is plus. So I will write plus and skip the bracket here 15. After that minus 10 is there, so I write minus 10. Now after completing this step, I will have to manage the like sign integers together. Here this is minus 8 and this is minus 10. I can write them together by which law? Associative law. We can replace the position of the integer as per our convenience. Therefore, now minus 8 and minus 10. Because these two integers are negative, therefore there will be addition of these integers. 10 and 8, that will be 18, and both are negative symbols, therefore I will write the negative symbol with their addition. Now this is 15. As you see, now we have two integers, one is negative and one is positive. Now, when the two integers are different, it means there is a position of the unlike signs, then we will subtract them. So, if I subtract the 15 from 18, then what will be my answer? My answer will be 3. Now, which one is greater here? 18 or 15? 18 is greater, therefore I will write the symbol of the 18, that is minus, with my answer. So, this is my answer. In this way, we have solved this question completely. The first step, we skip the bracket and change the symbol as per the law. After that, we write together the like sign symbols, like sign integers. After that, we apply the rule. Then, we find the answer. Now, we are on the second part. Here. Now, the second part is 6. 6 minus 7. Now, negative of a negative integer is
23.
Positive. Now, here you will see that 6 is positive, 23 is positive. So, firstly, I will write them.
So why 6 come positive?
I will write 6 and 23 together. If 6 has no symbol, then 6 is positive. It is considered. We can write or skip the positive symbol initially. After that, I will write minus 7 here. Now, you will see this is plus 6 and plus 23. Both are positive integer and of like sign, therefore I will add them. Their addition is 29. And what is the common symbol? That is plus. And here we see. Now, this is positive and this is negative. Now, both are unlike signs, therefore I will subtract 29 minus 7, that is 22. Now which one is greater? 29 is greater, therefore I will write the symbol of 29. As I can skip it, therefore I can write the answer 22. So in this way we solve this sum. Now, we are on the third part. Here, the two brackets are being given. Firstly, as per the BODMAS rule, we solve the brackets. In the first bracket and in the second bracket, you are viewing that the same type of integers are being written. They are same. 3 minus 4. This is plus 3. This is also plus 3. Now this is positive and this is negative. Therefore, which operation will be there? Subtraction. I will subtract 4 and 3, that is 1. Now, what is the symbol I will write with 1? My negative symbol. Why? Because 4 is greater and I will write the symbol of the greater integer. Similarly, in this one, I will write -1. Why? Because both are same, the answer will be same. Now, I will apply the rule. This is -1 and there is nothing before the bracket. Therefore, I will consider this as +1. Now, positive into minus, plus into minus, that is -1. And plus into minus, that is -1. Here you can see both integers are negative. Okay, therefore, I will add them. And 1 and 1, 2, and what is the common symbol? That is minus. So, the answer is -2. Now, question number 4. There is -60, after that minus, and -60, negative of a negative is positive 58, and negative of a negative is positive 2. Here you can see that last two integers are positive and are of like signs. Therefore, I will add them. 58 plus 2, that is 60, and the symbol with the answer, I will write the greater ones or the common. The common symbol is positive plus addition, therefore I will write the plus symbol here. Now you can see this is -60 and this is +60. Both are opposite integer, therefore their answer will be 0. Now we are on 5th part. Here you will see the two types of bracket under the bracket. Now 19 minus square bracket, and this is a smaller bracket, I will write it -4, then -17. Now I will solve the operation under the square bracket. -4 and -17, that is -21. Because both are negative, therefore I will add them and write the common symbol. 17 and 4, 21 and -1. Now we can see 19 and this is minus, negative of an active integer is positive. Okay, 19 plus 21, what is it? The answer there? 0.
4.
And 4. And which symbol we will use there? Plus symbol. We can skip the plus symbol. So, student, in this video, we learned 5 sums regarding the simplification of integers as per given. This was the third, second, and the first one. Under the statement, find the value of this. So, we sum up the video. Thank you.